What's up, YouTube? Hey, I got kind of a scheme that I'm gonna do with these with my other set of amplifiers. I kind of came up with an idea. So I'm gonna have my 415Ks on this wall, and I'll probably say from right here across, I'm gonna have my two 3500s and my 1600s. So I'm gonna have another board right across here, and it's gonna be the same color as this gray Rhino liner. And I'm gonna have it going on top of these amps straight across on the board. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you all the board that I'm gonna have. This is basically gonna be the board that I'm gonna have right here. To match that Rhino liner. So I'm gonna see how it fits. Once I get the amplifiers in, then we're gonna go from there. Y'all got any questions about this, hit me up.